Me and Jasmine, we're here at Sadeer Farms. We're gonna go check it out and show you guys what we're up to.
Hi everyone, this is Rain. Welcome to our channel. Today is January 3, 2020. Happy New Year's! We are on our way to Sadeer Farm. It's our actually first time to go to the farm. It'll take us 1 hour and 30 minutes. I booked it already online. It's a shaded picnic table. It's for 25 KD and includes the charcoal, the plates, a soda, drink. This is our soda and water, and the entrance to the farm. Where are we going?
To the farm.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I want to see some booths.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet. Want to play a game? Not yet.
Yes. See you later. I already got a coupon. Each coupon is 2 KD. You see all that slides over there? And when you got a coupon, one coupon, you got one food each. So we're gonna take the kids right now to the slide.
This is our tent right here. We got tent number 1.
Hi everyone, right now we are at Sadeer Farm here in Abdali. And we got this shaded area tent. I'm gonna show you what we bought. I got thermos because it's cold. Coffee is live. Kitchen towels. Tissue, although they provide us with tissue. Utensils. Snacks. Jasmine's milk. Grapes. Yakult. Oreo. Water bottles. More fruits. 2 apples. Oranges. And bananas. Spoon and fork, plates, cups for coffee later, spicy chicken barbecue, chicken garlic, New Zealand beef, kofta, New Zealand beef burgers, frozen hot dog, chips, lettuce, cucumber, chocolate milk, miswa, rice is live. And if we're still hungry, there's a lot of restaurants there that we didn't know that exist. I'll show you over here. This actually comes with the tent. Water, sodas that has ice. Over here, this is our barbecue area and our sink area. So this is the sink, this is the water. The guy already started the fire for our barbecue.
Fireplace.
This is our fireplace. We'll start working later at 4 or 4:30. This is the kids play area. Oh, those bikes you could rent it too. There's for driving bikes, you could rent those bikes. If you rent this, it's 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, you're gonna pay 1 KD. 2 KD per kid, but it's unlimited. So there's my 3 kids. Look at Joshua.
They got a whole bunch of jumping castles. They got a mechanical bull. They got a little lake with a paddle boat.
Like a slingshot and like a bowl.
How was it?
Good.
Kids are already getting hungry.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake game, staying beside.
Yeah.
Blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy.
It's kind of a gloomy day today, but I guess that's better than being real hot and sweating. What a nice little spot we got here.
Lunch is served.
Shoot, baby. Shoot.
Shoe fly. Shoe flies.
Shoot.
That's pretty much the only problem we have right now is there's too many flies here. You tell them to shoo, Jasmine. Tell them to shoo. Wash your hands, Jacob. Wash your hands, Jazzy.
You have friends?
You have girlfriends?
It's late for everyone to eat in the place.
See that right there? They came by at 4 p.m., dropped it off, said he's gonna come back and light it for us. Good service. You wanna ride this buggy? Let's go. See this buggy right here? It's gonna take us all around the park. It's about a 20-minute ride. Costs 5 KD. That's like, I don't know, 16 bucks maybe? All right, guys, we're gonna go ride this buggy.
Let's go.
It smells like poop.
Grandpa's house.
Those are
Swiss chard. The crops are looking good. You know what I mean?
Lettuce, I saw lettuce.
yes, we're gonna go get a boat. We're gonna get the boat. Thank you.
Josh, Jacob. The kids are gonna ride these little paddle boats, and hopefully they don't fall in.
Fire, fire.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Thank you very much. Me and Jasmine, we're over here at Sadeer Farms. Let's give you guys a tour. Let's go, Jasmine. Come on. Look at the fruits. Look over there. Let's go to fruits. They got a little fruit and vegetable spot right here. You know what? That right there is the vegetable store. Let's go. That's what we rode on earlier. Down this way, you just walk right through. They got all the restaurants, little stalls, proper sliders, chubby balls. They got shawarmas here. Yo, guys, in the greenhouse, they got upper crust pizza. They also got a bunch of herbs for sale. And then on the other side, they got a catering private events right there. Ice cream here. Is that the one? Yes. There you go. Thank you, sir. Almost getting there. How's your ice cream, Jasmine? Fire update. Looking pretty good. So for dinner, we got New Zealand beef kofta. I know you can't see it, but I guarantee it tastes good. Just in case anyone's wondering, this place got a plug. It only got one plug. You gotta get your little power surge and have more plugs, but they do have a plug and lights. Jacob, Joshi, you guys have fun?
Yeah.
How much fun?
Too much fun.
All right, guys, we had too much fun, just like Joshi said. See you in the next one.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.
And the kids' favorite. Nope. Not eating anything. It's all mine.
It smells like poop.
What does it smell like?
It smells like poop in there.
Ew, gross. Whoa, look at that one with the horns.
Look at Jasmine.
That's the alpha right there.
I have a
Yo,
bag.
what's up? What you got on my girls?
What's this?
We don't want to harvest. What is this, Farmville?